Hello everyone, in today's video I will explain you or show you how does Lumosity application or how Lumosity uh, helps your brain. First, you have to know what is Lumosity. Lumosity is an application or you can consider it a game that has too many games that will improve your cognitive skills like flexibility, like concentration, reflection, and many other skills. And you should know that Lumosity game are based on researches, scientific researches help you uh, to help you improving in some cognitive skills. As you can see here, here there is a research or a statistic that has been reviewed on some people to have an effect or to have the efficiency of the luminosity on these people that were reviewed. Also, there are many games that are fun. Also, they are uh, useful to improve your cognitive skills. For example, it starts some basic workouts and it will have four test progress. For example, it will let's start with the attention test, and we will have some uh, here we should just connect the trail. As you can see here, this is just a simple because it is just a tutorial, but when you play the actual game it is more hard. It is harder and harder because they will give you too many trains. Also, they will give you too many rails to switch, so you have uh, you are required to have a good attention skills, and by playing this game you can improve these skills. And this goes for all the other cognitive skills like the flexibility and attention and everything else in Luminosity applications. So this is how Luminosity helps your brain. Thank you for watching and goodbye.